Stuffed Zucchini Boats, the Italian way. In this video, Nonna Margherita will show us how to make Zucchine Gratinate, a super easy seasonal recipe that you can whip up in minutes. Zucchini are very popular in Italy, be it in pasta, fried, or baked like this. Let's go! Grandma starts with 9 small zucchini. She knows that small zucchini are more flavorful, and she's purchased these from her favorite local farmer. Grandma starts by slicing each zucchini lengthwise and getting herself organized. With just a few ingredients, tomato, garlic, breadcrumbs, and Parmigiano, she's going to turn these zucchini into a delicious dinner. This is how Nonna Margherita creates her zucchini boats. With a little spoon, she scraped out the centers and saving that zucchini to make her delicious filling. Look at her go! Pretty good technique. After her zucchini boats are lined up on the tray, Grandma gets to work chopping the zucchini for the filling. She adds the famous pizzico di sale, or a pinch of fine salt, a bit of freshly ground black pepper, and 4 or so minced cherry tomatoes. A quick mix. And don't forget the garlic, Grandma. Here, Nonna is removing the germ from the inside of the garlic, which can be a bit bitter in taste. And then she works those muscles with the garlic press. Having tasted this dish, we can assure you that the garlic really delivers here. A bit of minced flat-leaf Italian parsley, one of the most popular herbs in traditional Italian cuisine. This came from Nonna's garden, of course. And finally, a few tablespoons of unseasoned breadcrumbs. Grandma likes to give the zucchini a light dusting of salt before filling, but be careful not to over-salt. And it wouldn't be an Italian dish without a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. This olive oil was pressed from olives on Nonna Margherita's land, so it doesn't get much better than that. In goes the filling. Don't they already look tasty?
Sun is shining 24/7. 'Cause when we're together, it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark, you'll be my million stars. I know I can lean on you. Oh, you catch me like a leaf falling from a tree. If I'll be a shooting star, you make a wish. No, I don't.
And Nonna finishes these zucchini boats with a generous sprinkle of Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. The cheese makes them gratinate. Be sure to choose the real Parmigiano Reggiano here, which is what Italians in Italy use, not so-called Parmesan, which can mean many types of generic aged Italian cheeses in other countries, including the US. Real Parmigiano is packed with umami and has an amazing flavor.
When you're around, I know it's true. The way you make me feel is
and she goes into the oven at 425 Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Grandma says these zucchini need to stay in the oven until they are golden on top, and a toothpick can go into the zucchini boat with ease. In other words, they are nice and tender. We love to see them bubble in the oven. And they're ready. Still bubbling hot? Nonna cuts them open to show us how tender they are. She wants to take a bite for the camera but knows they are piping hot. Scotta! Yep, still too hot, but mamma mia, they are delicious. Let Grandma know you liked her video by clicking that thumbs up button. And drop her a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to the Piatto Recipes channel, where we bring you authentic Italian cooking direct from Italy. Click the bell to get notified when we release a new video. Buon appetito!